How do ambiguous sentences cause legal disputes? Imagine reading a contract that says you must keep the premises in good condition. What does good condition really mean? Is it just about cleanliness, safety, or something else? This kind of unclear wording can lead to disagreements. Ambiguous sentences are statements that can be understood in more than one way. In legal settings, this often causes problems because different people interpret the same words differently. When a contract or legal document is not precise, each side might have a different idea of what is expected or allowed. This can lead to conflicts over rights, responsibilities, or payments. Ambiguity in legal language can be obvious, called patent ambiguity, or hidden, called latent ambiguity. For example, if a contract says the fast food restaurant, does that mean any restaurant that serves food quickly or only well-known chains? If it is unclear, courts have to decide what the words really mean. They look at the usual meaning of the words, the context of the document, and sometimes outside evidence like how the parties acted before the dispute. If they cannot settle the meaning, the court might side with the person who did not write the confusing language, because they had the chance to make it clear. A common example is a will that leaves property to my nephew John. If there are two nephews named John, the court has to figure out which one is meant. This is an example of latent ambiguity, where the words seem clear but are not when applied to the actual situation. Courts often resolve these issues by examining the rest of the document or the circumstances around it. Legal disputes caused by ambiguous sentences can be costly and time-consuming. To avoid this, legal writers should use clear and specific language. Instead of saying reasonable time, they should specify a number of days, like within 30 days. Instead of good condition, they should list exact standards, such as free of mold and structural damage. This helps prevent misunderstandings and reduces the chance of disputes. In the end, ambiguous sentences create uncertainty about what is required or permitted. Courts then have to interpret the language, often favoring the party that did not draft the unclear words. Using precise language and defining key terms clearly can help prevent these issues from happening. Understanding how words can be misunderstood in legal contexts shows how important clear communication is, especially when it comes to contracts and legal documents.